Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, for your Christmas party, we have the Christmas Chex Mix. All right, as you can see, I have added 4 cups of rice Chex, followed up by 4 cups of corn Chex, and of course, I'm just making a damn mess everywhere I go. Give these a nice quick stir. And then you want to add roughly 2 cups of pretzels. Maybe a little bit more. Then you want to struggle to get the bag of cheddar cheese goldfish open. Want to add about, roughly a cup and a half, 2 cups of that. Then you want to add roughly a cup of rye chips. And then you want to add about a cup of roasted peanuts. Okay, now it's time to add our seasoning liquid to this, which involves 6 tablespoons of butter that I melted up, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon and a half of seasoned salt, use Lowry's, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Now you can see here I'm shaking it all around, mixing it all up. But then I am going to pop it into a 250 degree preheated oven, and I'm going to bake this for 1 hour. You could kind of shake it around every 15 minutes if you want to. I didn't feel the need. So 1 hour, 250, and we'll see you at the finished product. Okay, after an hour, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. And if you place it in an airtight container, it should last for about a week, maybe 10 days. And that's it. Christmas Chex Mix. Done.